In this video, we're going to talk about the search bar. Where can you find it? Where can you use it? How can you use it? And what are some kind of useful functionalities that are going to help you get the most out of the search functionality? Let's try just a basic search. So let's type in APT28, and you can see that we actually have a few results pre-populated. Now, the first result is tags. And then we also have some what appears to be rule names. If we just press enter and don't select any of these items, it's going to conduct a more general search. And this will probably show us things that are definitely relevant to APT28, but also might be more loosely related to the search term that we've used. If instead we actually use one of the tags, we're going to find a much more specific and limited subset of results. In general, I would recommend that you actually use one of the tags rather than just pressing enter in the search bar. Sometimes, though, you might want to do a more specific query and utilize some advanced search logic, and that's where the Lucene query syntax comes in. So if you're not familiar with Lucene, this may not be a feature that you will want to use, but we do have some information about how to use Lucene here in the how to use a Lucene query syntax pop-up window. Personally, I've found that the Lucene query syntax is most useful for filtering out content, right? So anytime that we're doing a search here, basically we are filtering in for a specific thing. We could think of it more as a whitelist. If we use the Lucene query syntax, we actually have the ability to create essentially a blacklist instead. So let's just say that for whatever reason, I want to see all of the content in the marketplace that is not for a particular log source. So in that case, we can type in not tags.logsource : and in this case, let's just try sysmon. Let's find all the content that is not for sysmon. So I'm going to hit enter and we're going to initiate that search. And you can see that all of the results here do not appear to be for sysmon. So that is it for the search bar. Please feel free to ask us if you have any additional questions or share feedback about this feature, and enjoy using the threat detection marketplace.